Resh makes the R sound like road or rain. It's a smooth, rounded letter, no corners, no dots, and it stays above the line. Resh looks a lot like Dalet, but don't be fooled. Dalet has a corner, Resh is rounded. Rachum, 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 meaning compassion for. This word appears in the Torah when God describes His own qualities. Exodus 34:6. Allahu v'chanur, Hashem, Hashem, God compassionate and gracious. We use it often in Silikyat, Yom Kippur, and the 13 attributes of mercy. Don't confuse Resh with Dalet. Resh is rounded like the word are rounded. Dalet has a corner like a many letters that look alike. Your eyes will learn to catch the difference with practice. Hebrew words that start with Resh. That's who. Refuah, compassionate. Rosh, head lidded ring, round, round, hunger, famine, famine, Refuah, Refuah, healing, Rakia, firmament. Now, he saw rats, he ran. He sang, rejoiced, Radaf, he pursued. Repay, he healed. Rosh Lamim, Rinah, joyful singing praise. Rushash used in compound words like Rosh, Rosh Hashanah. From Amida, Rachum will desire a meal. Leadership.